All right, welcome back. So we're looking at another practice activity for code.org, lesson 9, sprite properties. So this one we're practice using the scale and rotation sprite properties in order to fix this scene. So we really want the scene to look like this. And if we go over here to run, we can see, man, we got a whole lot going on here. The astronaut character is much too big and not the correct angle. Same thing with this character. They're kind of all over the place here, so we need to make some changes. So we're going to start with space. Doesn't look like we really need anything from this. Now if we look at the comet, so that's this character. Actually, let's go ahead and fix the astronaut first so we can get him out of the way. We do need to make him smaller, and we need to rotate him. So we're going to go ahead and drag out scale, and we're going to drag out rotation. And then we're going to go ahead and make sure that we spell that correctly. Looks like it's pretty good. And if not, it'll tell me because it'll error. Interesting. Okay. So let's go ahead and change the scale. Well, let's make it 0.25. And then let's go ahead and rotate him 25. Okay, let's go ahead and run that. There we go. That's a little better. Okay. I'm not really sure why it's... Oh, they just don't like the decimal point there. But it still works, still runs. I'm not sure why it's struggling with that. But all right, so now let's go ahead and take a look at our little alien character here, which is right here. We'll kind of work our way up this way just to kind of clear things out of the way. So our alien needs kind of the same thing. He needs to be change rotation, and we probably need to shrink him down a little bit as well. So we're going to drag that right here. Now it doesn't necessarily have to be in this location. We could keep these all down here at the bottom, just so long as you have them after your variable declaration here, because if you go ahead and put the purple variable creation, one second, below these, it won't understand what this is. So you want to make sure you always have this variable declaration above these things that you're using, like when we're bringing over what it's going to actually be, and then the scale and things like that. So just make sure you do that. Don't make sure don't have this down below these, or it will not know what's going on. All right, so with the scale, we don't need to change his size very much. We'll just do, oops, let me put the cursor back in there. Do 75% of what he should be, and then we will rotate him. We actually want him to rotate that direction. So let's do a negative, because we're going to go counterclockwise. We'll do negative 25, since we did this one 25. We'll keep them on the same way. That looks pretty good to me, I feel like. Yeah. Might be off by a little bit, but that's about what you're looking for. And then now the comet, and then we need to do the comet very similar to what we did these others. And let's change the comet to half its size. And then the rotation, we'll just do 100. I think that looks about right. There. Let's take a look, see if we got that. Yeah, that looks good to me. Maybe he's a little bigger than what he should. But other than that, I think these look about right. So that's how you do that. All right, hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.